How long to make one non-woven bag? Watch our bag machine go. Don't blink, it's time to show real power. We have 46 advanced ultrasonic bag making machines. Each machine produces 50,000 to 80,000 bags per day. No stitches needed. Ultrasonic welding bonds the fabric in seconds. The machine sends out high-frequency vibrations, fusing the fabric edges with heat in seconds. Feeding, handle attaching, cutting, and welding. The entire process is fully automated. One machine makes 60-80 bags per minute. Mass orders, no problem. Ready to design your custom packaging bags. JiaRong Packaging, your trusted tote bag partner.